Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Gun Breakdown and Beginner's Guide. I'm Jonathan, and today we're going to be continuing our Glock series. Today we're going to be talking about how to break down and clean your Glock 22 pistol. Alright, let's go ahead and get right into it. First thing we're going to do is point this weapon in a safe direction. We're going to remove the source of ammunition. We're going to depress the mag release right here. Nothing in there. Now we're going to do a physical and visual inspection of the chamber. All right, I see nothing, I feel nothing, weapon is clear. So we'll send that back forward. And so now we're going to pull the trigger. And now we're going to pull down the slide lock bar, which is this little bar right here, these three little ribs that you see on this side and right here on this side. So we're going to pull that back to the rear, pull both sides down at the same time, and push your slide forward and remove that. We'll sit down the pistol trigger housing group, remove the guide rod and spring, and take out your barrel. And there's your field strip. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take some CLP, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to spray inside of the internals, all through here, along this the trigger bar, and everything else along the way. Now, I am going to do a light coat of CLP because I did just clean this firearm, so you're not going to see me put that much, but I will show you where to put it in its stead. All right. So you're going to take some CLP and you're going to spray inside it. There we go. And you're going to spray inside of here, along the trigger bar, inside of here, and inside of here. And you're going to take a little bit and spray along right here. So let's go ahead and do that really quick. Okay. And now that we have that done, we're going to go ahead and set that down. Next is going to be our guide rod and our spring. So we're going to spray that with our hand, or spray that. And we're going to spread it along with our fingers. All right, and now that that's done, we're going to set that down. Next is going to be our barrel, and we're going to make sure we spray right here inside of the hook part, on the breech face, and inside of the barrel. So we'll spray right in there. Inside of there, and inside of the barrel. Okay, next is going to be our slide. We're going to spray along here, down, and we're going to make sure we get the grooves along the way. Okay, and now that we have that done, we're going to go ahead and sit our can down, and we're going to get to brushing. So we're going to grab our pistol grip and our steel brush, and we're going to start brushing along here. We're going to make sure that we get inside of the mag well in combination. Okay, now that we got that, we're going to get brush along here. Clean right inside of there. Then we're going to clean off our bristles onto our cleaning rag. You set that down to the side. Next is going to be our guide rod and spring. So we'll go ahead and we'll clean that down and brush it down. All right. Next is going to be our barrel. So we're going to get inside here on this hook part right here. Next is going to be the breech face. And we'll get the inside of our barrel here in just 1 second. So we're going to wipe this off again. And next is going to be our slide. So we're going to brush along here. Making sure you get inside the grooves as well from where you sprayed at. And you really want to make sure that you get your extractor, which is this little hook piece right here. So you can get, yeah, right there, which we'll get that in just 1 second. Okay, and now that that's brushed, we're going to grab some applicators, and we're going to go along the inside and to clean out the internals. You also want to make sure that you get the trigger bar as well. So clean that, you're going to want to clean that out really good. All right. We're going to take one more to the bar, to the side right here of the trigger bar. Next, we're going to go ahead, we're going to grab our cleaning rag, and we're going to go to the inside of our mag well, and we're going to wipe that down. And as far as cleaning rags go, I just use white t-shirts from Walmart. I don't buy anything super special. I would just recommend that when you bring them home, you wash them once, so you don't leave behind any kind of like fuzz or threading from your shirt. Now we're going to wipe off the inside, get any excess CLP or carbon that we may have missed. Okay, now that we got that, we can set this down to the side. Next, we're going to go and get our bore brush, and we're going to go through our barrel. Okay, now we got that. You want to make sure you try to spin it along the way when you're cleaning it. All right. Okay, now we're going to inspect our barrel. All right. See nothing, everything looks good to go. We're going to set this down to the side. We're going to wipe off our guide rod and spring really quick of any excess CLP. Okay, now we're going to take some applicators to our slide. Okay, making sure you get inside along the grooves as well. Okay, now that that is done, we're going to go ahead and we're going to reassemble our firearm. So we're going to grab our slide and our barrel. We're going to put this back together. Make sure your hook side is facing down, and this is what it should look like when it's flush fit. Next is going to be our guide rod and our spring. So we're going to make sure that this rounded end, let's see if we can get the focus. We're going to make sure that this rounded end is going to sit in there inside of this hole, and this flanged end is going to sit inside of this U-shaped notch right here. So we'll grab that. Just a little bit of pressure should be all you need. And that's what it'll look like when it's sitting in there properly. Next, we're going to grab our slide, our trigger housing group and match and line the grooves up with our slide. Rack that on there. Gonna wipe off any excess CLP really quick. Just gonna wipe this down. Okay, and now we're going to perform what's called a functions check. So what we're going to do is keep this weapon pointed in a safe direction. We're going to pull our trigger for a click, reset it by racking the slide. This time you're going to pull the trigger and hold it down, keep it held down, rack the slide, release the trigger for a clunk, pull the trigger again for a click, reset it one more time, and there you go. That is how you perform your disassembly, cleaning, reassembly, and functions check on your Glock 22 Gen 3 pistol. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you all stay safe, take care, and carry every day.